Messi, immens Messi, encara 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 Messi.
Дроган. Молодець. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Brother, what's that?
Why do you sit like that?
Oh my god. Bang!
Vamos. Vamos. Vamos.
He's moving his hair around so I can't get it.
Happy birthday, girl. How's my sweet Polly? Happy first birthday, Polly. I love you.
You like that banjo?
Reese. Reese, come here. Reese, come here. Reese, did you do this? You like the oh!
Thanks for your help, my boy.
Oh my gosh.
This is what we call happiness. You could only dream of being this happy. You could only dream of knowing this much.
Look at this, husband's looking at you.
Elmo, come here.
Mama, look at the dog. What'd you like? Marcy's laughing.
Okay, the blood of Jesus. Just leave him alone. Let him have it for a second. That's right. The blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus.
Who did this?
I gotta get out of here.
Lotto, seriously, dude? Dude, what's going on?
Oh. How do you do that?
Zeke, I'm right here. Zeke, I'm right here.
Just a king overlooking his kingdom.
No, I don't.
Do you want a Greeny Street?
Mexe que
Vì đi nó là cookie nó bị mắc kẹt rút tiền ra help cookie lên.
So sorry. I know, but I'll get you a new one. Like, it's melted. What the hell were you thinking? You're an idiot. You should have called.
Smiling girl.
Toto, vení. No. ¿De verdad?
Maverick!
roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
Well, actually, that's kind of a feel. It all comes down. The dish.
Lincoln, are you going to be cleaning today? Thank you, Mia.
Oh, he's throwing it back.
Okay, he's throwing a tantrum. He wants his water toy. You can't have it. You'll mess it up.
POV, it's 7:55 am, 18 degrees of outside. You're late for work, and you ask your husky to come inside.
I got it on video.
There she goes.
Buddy!
Did you find you some snow, Freya?
Oh, his mouth. Look at him. So.
Help, Mom, I am stuck. Okay, guess I got to do this on my own. Got to stop eating so much kibble. Oh heck, I'm almost there. Sweet freedom.
It's gonna get you, Todd.
Bro, are you good? Dude.
Get it? Get it?
What are you?
I'm doing salad duck.
Mad at me.
Oh my. Let me.
Edna.
Hi there, what you got? You got a treat? You got a treat? Let me hold it. Let me hold it.
Ты куда поехала? Ай, лофа.
The disrespect.
Now he's fascinated. He's trying to eat them.
You kind of are.
What the hell?
Stop saying that.
What the hell? What the hell?
What? What do you have? You know you can't have that.
Cinnabon, are you on an important call? What are they saying?
Alright, you guys want to go in and you each get kisses. Ready? We get kisses? They put their chins. They all want their kisses.
When the sky comes falling, even the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I, so put your pretty little hand in.
Oh, Poppy, Poppy! Why are you so cute? No, you can abschließen. Und das sagt der süße Hund dazu.
Do you want to go outside? Do you want a cookie? Oh, yes.
Oh, God.
Come on.
I would love to be your best friend.
Hey. Oh, look at you.
Winnie, are you serious?
Déjame pasar, déjame pasar, déjame pasar, déjame pasar.
He's good at his job. I like it. Of course you do, Jim.
Stacy, you got a tire? Stacy. Oh my God.
Platz. Stand. 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 Stand.
Good girl. Good girl. Uh-oh, you dropped it.
What do you have? You know you can't have that.
Oh, Bethans. What did you do? Did you not look after the puppet?
No sé si vas a tener la fiesta cuando abras
Bolívar.
Oiga, tu beso normal.
Left. Get. Wow. Boy. Gosh, gosh, gosh. Zit. Left. Zit.
¿Qué has dirigido si es un mensaje en un momento dado de no darse por vencido, de no tirar la toalla de carácter? ¿Cómo lo entiendes?
Maybe say sit.
No, it's not. It's...
This what you're waiting for? Go get Freddy. Get Freddy. Get Freddy. Where's Freddy?
Come here, Bubba. Come on.
This one already ready to get in truck, huh? All right, guys, in truck. Good girl. Good girl.
What are you talking smack for?
He wants those toes.
Jamie.
Rolling around.
God, Jujubes. God, I love her. Her so good, girl.
Is you parting it?
Willow, put on my face.
Ay, no,
Akira. No. Come here. Come here. Akira, come here. Akira, come here.
It's Mama. You afraid of Mom? Let's see it. Hi, buddy.
You run into walls when you run around with a bucket on your head, honey.
because I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came. Girl.
Get ready. Yay!
Get him, puppy.
Oh!
I love you. Poor Tokyo. Huh, Scarlett?
Bang.
Frantically.